What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 27 and today's topic will be how to chat with arXiv documents using LlamaIndex. So arXiv is a kind of you can call it as an online archive where all research paper related to different domains are getting stored, and basically this document store is free. Okay, so for example, if I go here, so if you see here, uh, it's RXIB, and if you see, uh, this is a free distribution of open source with over 2.5 million like articles, right? So suppose you want to search with any topic, you will get it. For example, if I click on physics, so it is going to give me the documents related to physics. Okay, so here I need to search. Maybe I can just say time tracking. Okay, so some document will be coming, right? Right, see, multiple documents are coming, right? So for example here, so and this is the document ID, right? So this is very interesting. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll be going to run a query, and based on that we'll be going to do little bit of vector indexing, and from there we'll be going to do a chat. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me minimize this thing and let's start working on my VS Code. Okay, so first thing first, for this purpose we'll be going to require couple of library. Obviously we will be going to use OpenAI, and we'll be going to use LlamaIndex reader. Okay, so first thing first, it will be from, okay, okay, so from llama, okay, underscore. So I think I need to change this thing. It is going to be, okay, from llama underscore index, okay, dot LLMs, okay, and dot OpenAI, right? And it will be import what? We'll be going to import OpenAI, right? So let's execute. Okay, okay, so no error. It initially it was coming with some red lines. I thought some error will be coming, but it is not giving any error. Now next thing, we'll be going to import, let's say, so from, okay, llama index dot readers, okay, right, dot papers, right? And then what we'll do, we'll be going to import RXIV reader. Okay, so it is RXIV reader, right? That's it, done. Now we'll be going to create an object of an RXIV loader. So let's give a, like, let's say loader, okay, equals to RXIV reader, right? Then now we'll be going to create something called docs. Okay, so one thing guys, I'm actually typing very slowly because my keyboard has a problem. If I type very fast, it will give some annoying noise. Okay, so that is why. So loader, okay, dot load data, right? So here it will be going to give a search query. In the search query I'll be just going to write, let's say LLM, okay, large language okay, model, and maybe I can just say max result, maybe I just going to make it 5. Okay, I don't want to actually make it bigger. Okay, right, done. And initially this document will be available here inside of the directory called dot papers, and then it will be parsed, and then we'll be going to create this document, and after that this will be deleted from here. Okay, so what we'll do now, what we'll do, we'll be going to create a, okay, first let's show you how actually it is going to happen. Let's execute this thing. So you will see here now. So see, there is something will be created, something called uh, it's executing, I believe. Yes, executed. So execution actually started. Okay, if you see, it's like started and gone. Let me show you here. Just carefully watch this side, left hand side of the screen. Okay, okay, see, this paper is coming, and 1 2 3 4 5 PDF, like this. Okay, now actually it is ready, so it is gone, deleted, right? So now what we'll do, with the help of this document, we'll be going to create something. Okay, so maybe I can show you by printing the document as well. So print let's say docs 0. I want to just show you the first document. Okay, so basically this is going to be a list of 5 documents. So I'll show you the first document. Let's see, wait for some time, this is going to come. Yeah, see, the first document came and something is written here, right? Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll be going to create, let's say, index equals to okay, so I think vector store index is also required. So just hold on. So we'll be going to do the vector store indexing as well. Okay, so just hold on. For that probably we'll be going to require a couple of more library. Okay, right? So that is maybe, let's say, from llama index dot core. Okay, import vector store index, right? So maybe here what will happen, so vector store index dot from documents, right? So inside that I'll be just going to write docs d, it will be docs. Let's see whether it is actually able to create the vector store or not. Okay, so okay, so document is ready and this is deleted, and hopefully it is actually going to create the document store as well. Okay, no error means it is actually able to do it correctly. Okay, so let's see, this is the important part. Okay, it's done. Now we'll be going to create something called engine equals to index dot as query engine, right? And here I'll be just going to write llm equals to uh, this OpenAI, right? If you check, I already have something called OpenAI. Okay, and here I'll be just going to write, let's say, which model I'll be going to use. I'll be going to use GPT-4. GPT-4. And one more interesting thing, guys. So you guys are asking why I'm not using any API key. Yes, guys, I'm using the API key, but my API key is already set in the backend environment in the OS level, so I no need to actually do it again and again, right? So you guys can also do the same thing. Okay. So next thing, response. Okay. So let's create something called response. Okay, so response equals to engine dot query. Okay, right? And inside that I'll be just going to write give summary in bullets, in points points bullet points from the given text. Okay, and then we'll be just going to write print response. Okay, done. So let's execute. Okay, so let's wait for some time. Okay, okay, if you see here, it is giving this one, the paper introduce. Okay, so many different things are there. Okay, give summary in few added paragraph. Okay, let's do this thing. Hopefully this will be done. Let's wait for a few minutes, this will be done shortly. Okay, I think 1 minute will be required. So you can chat with anything. I'm just asking it to do some summary, but because I don't know what is actually there inside the document, But if you know your document, maybe you can ask some relevant question and you will be going to get a correct answer. Right. So here I said that give summary in few paragraph from the given text. So see, it is able to do it, right? So that is amazing. So guys, in this way, you can easily integrate with RXIB archive or RXIB like website, and after that you can search anything based on the query. You can change this thing as well, and after that you can get your desired answer, right? So these things are so powerful. Suppose you are going to work for some company and company is actually developing some sort of like application where employees are going to ask something, but the answers are not going to generated from their internal repository, but it will be generated from some research scholar document. Maybe you are working for some medicine or pharmaceuticals company, or maybe you are working for, let's say, some manufacturing company uh, where actually cutting edge knowledge or informations are required. So for those sort of thing, this is very important because you need to integrate with this sort of like um, repositories, right? Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoying the series. I'm actually uploading this video after maybe 2 or 3 months because for last couple of months I was busy with LangChain and computer vision tutorial on OpenCV5. Hopefully you guys can watch out that as well. If you are new to my channel, if you are new to this channel, then please try to uh, go to my channel playlist section and try to find Langchain playlist and OpenCV, the latest version OpenCV5 playlist, because in 2025, starting of or beginning of the 2025, I'm planning to start deep learning with computer vision and neural network. So basically for that we need to have a complete and solid knowledge on OpenCV. So that is why I started this tutorial as well. So there are total three segments I'm actually working. One is LangChain, one is LlamaIndex, and one is OpenCV5. So three parallel departments are going on in terms of like topics. So please try to check out those tutorial as well. Hopefully you guys will like it. And last but not least, please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share the videos with your family and friend, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so that you should not miss any notification from our future update. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning. Thank you.